In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create meeting notes in Confluence. Let's start right at your Confluence home. Open your Confluence site and head into the space where you want these notes to live. A space is basically a workspace for a team or project, and choosing the right one up front makes your notes easy for the right people to find later. If your team keeps all meeting documentation in one space, go there now so everything stays organized and permissioned correctly. Next, create a new page using the built-in meeting notes template. Click the Create button at the top, and in the template gallery, choose Meeting Notes. This template is helpful because it comes pre-structured with the sections teams typically need, so you can focus on content instead of formatting. If your gallery is crowded, use the search box to quickly find Meeting Notes. At the top of the page, fill in the date, the attendees, and the meeting objectives. Use the current date or the meeting date you're documenting. For attendees, add the people who are in the meeting. If your Confluence setup supports it, mentioning teammates is a great way to make it clear who participated. In the objectives area, write what you plan to accomplish by the end of the meeting. Think clear outcomes like making a decision, unblocking a task, or confirming a plan. Move down to the agenda section and outline the discussion points. Keep each topic brief and actionable so everyone knows what to cover and in what order. If timing matters, add estimated durations next to each item to keep the conversation on track. You can paste in any pre-planned agenda here or draft one quickly if you're capturing notes live. As you go, convert talking points into concrete tasks. In the editor, type/task or use the action item section that comes with the template. Assign each task to the right person and add a due date. Assignments trigger notifications so owners know what they're responsible for, and the tasks remain visible in the page for easy follow-up. When you're done capturing the essentials, click Publish. This saves the notes as a page in your chosen space with the template structure intact. After publishing, share the page link with participants, drop it into your team chat or calendar event so everyone can revisit the agenda, decisions, and action items. If you're still drafting, Confluence will keep your work as a private draft until you're ready to publish, but once the meeting wraps, publishing ensures the right people can access and track the outcomes. And that's it. Your meeting notes are set up in Confluence, organized, actionable, and shareable.